Are these the new additions to the sales lot?
Yes, sir.
What is that box store mower doing amongst the herd of my prize Skag mowers?
Must have jumped the fence from the neighbors.
Why don't you go ahead and take that to the train station?
With pleasure, sir.